In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up TikTok Pixel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to choose, and how to place the code so TikTok can track activity on your website accurately. Start by opening your browser and searching for TikTok Ads Manager. Click the official link that takes you to TikTok's advertising dashboard. Log into your account and make sure you're in the correct business account if you manage more than one. Once you're in, look for the Tools menu in the top navigation. From there, select Events Manager. This is where you'll set up tracking for web activity and connect your site to TikTok. In Events Manager, click the Connect Data Source button, usually located near the top left of the page. When asked to choose your data source, select Web. TikTok will then ask for your website URL. Enter it so the system can recommend the best setup based on your site's technology. This helps TikTok guide you toward either a code-based setup or a partner flow, depending on what your site uses. Next, you'll choose a setup method. Manual setup gives you full control by generating a code snippet you'll place on your site. Partner integration is available if you use platforms like Shopify, Google Tag Manager, or WordPress, offering a simpler, often no-code connection. For this walkthrough, we'll proceed with the manual connection method so you can see exactly how the base code is installed. At this point, TikTok may prompt you to pick between TikTok Pixel only or TikTok Pixel plus Events API. The Pixel uses browser tracking, while adding the Events API can improve reliability by sending events from your server. Choose the option that fits your needs. If you're unsure, starting with the Pixel only is common and you can upgrade later. Give your Pixel a clear, descriptive name that reflects your domain or brand, staying within the character limit. Then click Create to generate your implementation details. For the manual setup using TikTok Pixel, copy the base code snippet provided on the screen. Open your website's HTML and paste this code into the head section. It must be present on every page you want to track, so place it in a global header file or a site-wide header injection area provided by your CMS. Save and publish your changes to ensure the code is live across your site. That's it. Your TikTok Pixel is now installed, and you're ready to start collecting data for measurement and optimization. If your platform supports it, you can later enhance accuracy by adding events and, when you're ready, exploring the Events API.